Or loving a chamfer foil image and having a little bit of troubleshooting with the chamfers application, so I'm gonna show you. This is going to be super easy. I am go ahead and apply premium iHold chamfer foil. It will help me cure in really quick in 30 seconds. Apply. Oh, hold on. Should I do half of the nails? No. Should I do the French only?
Oh, you know what, you do a whole nail for that.
Why?
Because it looks nice.
For real?
It's pretty.
Your taste is weird.
Hey, it's Valentine. You need all the heart. I'll take it all.
Okay, here, all chance before you do it yourself. Huh? All right, all nails. All right, so make sure you cover it all, because sometimes I like, okay, I'm gonna keep, and then I forget the whole entire spot right there, you know. Right, it's only chamfer where you apply your chamfer foil gel. Keep for 30 seconds. And make sure you are identify which one is the right way, because this is easy because one side is really light. It doesn't have any colors in it. It's matte, and the other is really nice and shiny. So this one is going to be on the top and this one on the back. And I want you to do just like press it on like this. But we're going to wait for 30 seconds and then applies all this. But if you can do this French look, you can do French. You can do the full nails. You can do however you want.
Have you looking for the technique how to do those? Watch our previous video, just like even last week, we done a few of them.
You know what? This is so cool though. I just really want to curious and want to do this. Okay. And then you can pick whatever spot that you want. This is right in the middle. I just try to catch a few like foil. All right, put it right in the middle. Go in from the top of the nails, I mean the highest part of the nails, and press it down on this side. Same thing.
Get a little crease. Just don't panic and try your best to flatten them out.
Keep it like this one would have the bubble right here, so don't worry. When you get it out, you can always lay it back up, and it's gonna release all of your like air bubbles, air pockets.
And remember, the most important thing is make sure you rub it thoroughly. Make sure the entire foil is sit on top of the nail. And you'll be good. Right, you ready?
Yeah. You see that how it transfers really nicely? And then if you feel any of the air pockets, you just like leg it back and then give it a good press. Pressures, rub. And transfer everything. Looks really good. I see the bubble right there. It's chamfer too. It's cool. You see that how it chamfer nicely? And with this, you don't have to rush. Especially the longer the nails is, you have to take a little bit of time. I mean, patience on it, because you can't just rub and it's so aggressive. And then you have to give it a time for it to release like all of the bubbles, like air pockets off between the foil and the nail surface. So then it can transfer it for you. All right, I'm gonna take it off for you to see.
There you go.
Okay, nice and easy.